Your HVAC system is a vital part of your home. It deserves professional maintenance. Avoid costly repairs and replacements with regular checkups. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your HVAC system significantly. Keep the air in your home clean and healthy through consistent maintenance. Early detection of problems can prevent further damage. A well-maintained HVAC system can help you save on energy bills. Keep your warranty valid by ensuring your system gets the care it needs. Ensure your home stays comfortable through all seasons with regular maintenance. Get reliable, high-quality maintenance service from Pioneer Plumbing and Heating. Don't compromise on the comfort and safety of your home. Book a maintenance check today.